Hello everyone, are you ready to become a data science expert and secure a high-paying IT job? At our Tech, we provide industry-focused training covering Python for data science, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, and big data analysis, ensuring a strong foundation in data handling, data building, and AI-driven solutions. We focus on real-world problem solving covering 400 plus coding exercises and data analysis projects enhancing your analytical and programmatical skills for industrial applications. In advanced data science, we cover NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-Learn, TensorFlow, NLP, and Power BI too, where student completes multiple academic projects aligned with industrial standards. Our database module includes SQL and NoSQL, covering everything from basic to advanced level, preparing you for real-time data handling. Additionally, we also offer 2 plus live projects ensuring practical exposure. Beyond technical skills, we conduct 60 plus hours of aptitude training, 40 plus hours of soft skill and spoken English training, and mock interviews to help you crack top IT job interviews. The best part, we provide internship opportunity within just 4 months of joining. So join our Tech today and take your first step towards successful career in IT. Thank you.